Imagine this, the President of the United States, the person sworn to protect the very foundation of our democracy, says, "I don't know," when asked if he needs to uphold the Constitution. Yes, you heard that right. On May 2, 2025, Donald Trump, in an interview on NBC's Meet the Press, responded with those three chilling words when questioned about his constitutional duties. Was this a slip of the tongue, a calculated dodge, or something far more dangerous? Today, we're diving deep into the legal implications of this unprecedented statement. What does it mean for the rule of law, our democracy, and your rights? Buckle up, this is a story you need to hear. To understand why Trump's statement is such a bombshell, let's set the stage. On January 20, 2025, Donald Trump took the presidential oath of office for his second term. He placed his hand on a Bible and swore to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. This oath isn't just a formality, it's the bedrock of the presidency. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land, outlining the powers and limits of government, protecting individual rights, and ensuring checks and balances. Every president, from George Washington to Joe Biden, has taken this oath, signaling their commitment to uphold the rule of law. Fast forward to May 2, 2025. Trump sits down with Kristen Welker on Meet the Press for a wide-ranging interview. The topic turns to his aggressive immigration policies, particularly his push for mass deportations. Welker presses him on a specific case, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a man mistakenly deported to El Salvador and imprisoned there. The Supreme Court had ruled that the government must seek his return, citing constitutional protections. Welker asks Trump if he agrees that everyone on U.S. soil, citizen or non-citizen, is entitled to due process, a right enshrined in the 5th and 14th Amendments. Trump's response? "I'm not a lawyer. I don't know." When Welker pushes further, asking, "Don't you need to uphold the Constitution of the United States as president?" Trump doubles down, "I don't know." He deflects, saying he relies on his brilliant lawyers and that they'll follow Supreme Court rulings. This wasn't a one-off. When asked about the Fifth Amendment's due process clause, Trump suggested it would require 1 million or 2 million or 3 million trials, implying it's too slow for his agenda. Let's unpack this. The Fifth and 14th Amendments guarantee due process, meaning the government must provide notice and a fair hearing before taking actions like deportation. This applies to everyone on U.S. soil, not just citizens. The Supreme Court has upheld this for over a century. Trump's comments come amid his administration's push for expedited removals, dismissing asylum cases without hearings, and cutting legal aid for migrants. These policies have already sparked legal battles, with critics arguing they violate constitutional protections. Trump's statement isn't just about immigration, it's about the presidency itself. The Constitution isn't optional. It's the framework that keeps the government in check. When a president questions whether he's bound by it, it raises red flags about how he views his power. To understand the stakes, we need to look at the broader context of Trump's second term. Since taking office, his administration has tested constitutional limits, from proposing to send homegrown criminals to El Salvador, a move legal experts called unlawful, to floating ideas like reopening Alcatraz as a detention center. This isn't the first time Trump's relationship with the Constitution has been questioned. During his first term, he faced criticism for actions like declaring a national emergency to fund a border wall and pressuring Ukraine for political favors, leading to his first impeachment. Now, in his second term, his "I don't know" comment has reignited debates about his commitment to the rule of law. Donald Trump's "I don't know" isn't just a soundbite. It's a wake-up call. The Constitution isn't a menu you pick from. It's the foundation of our democracy. When a president questions his duty to uphold it, it threatens the rights and freedoms we all cherish. From due process to free speech, the stakes couldn't be higher. But this isn't the end of the story. You have the power to shape what comes next. Learn about your rights. Hold leaders accountable. Vote in every election. Share this video to spark conversations about why the Constitution matters. Together, we can ensure that "I don't know" never becomes an acceptable answer from the Oval Office. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content on the issues shaping our world. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Tell me, what do you think Trump's statement means for democracy? Stay informed, stay engaged, and I'll see you in the next video.